Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and in tonight's video newsletter, I wanted to start off by a very humble request that you guys would like and subscribe to these videos because it does make a difference. I think a lot of times, kind of look at this like, why are your videos not getting any likes, no subscribes? Well, I don't know, but all I know is that I'm working to give you the best analysis that I have every night, and these YouTube videos are not just a throwaway, right? They're not an afterthought. They are something that can really help you make money, and we begin tonight by looking at DoorDash. So in DoorDash, and the best part of this is that it's not hindsight analysis. I'm sure you guys, if you're watching this, you probably watch dozens of other YouTube videos and, who's actually making money. Well, I want to show you right here where we started talking about this Fireline in DoorDash. I have the level at 43.55. We go bid at 43.30, right? So it's a nice little spot to pop up. Then we go again here, and then yet again when we started discussing it last week. Now, what makes this a little bit different between this moment in time and the previous eras of consolidation? Well, the best part is the squeeze. And not just the squeeze, but the high compression squeeze, right? When we move into these white dots right here, you are moving into the tightest compression phase of price action, and there are very real ways that this can bring reversals. If you don't believe all this, or if it feels a little silly to be studying, just come hang out with us in the chat room for a couple of weeks, and I can almost guarantee you will find more of this. And again, I can bring that to you because it worked so well from last week. So we move into the high compression squeeze against the Fireline, and look at this move. I mean, we're from 150 to 170 in 2 days. Again, it's not hindsight analysis. It's showing you that is what I thought was going to happen. And that's the fast money. That's the fast money way of approaching this. And then from there, at least what I see tonight is going to be the slow money. So again, just the humble request, if you guys want to like and subscribe, I will keep bringing you the best that I have in technical analysis. And today it moves over into Textron. Now, Textron is not fast money. Notice how this is just the standard formation of the squeeze. All this shows us is that there's a very basic formation of consolidation that moves through here. And you could probably see that, especially when someone highlights it for you. You can look at it and say, yeah, that's all pretty much basically consolidating between 85 and 95. What happens next? Well, Textron is either going to be an $80 stock or it's going to be a $110 stock. And I am of the opinion that it's moving into 110. So slightly different formation in the squeeze, slightly different formation in looking at the way that price moves over time. But if you're looking at something you can buy, kind of hang on to into December, I think you would do well by picking this name up. And I got a lot more of those to look at in tonight's video newsletter over on Simpler Trading. So again, I hope you guys are making money with this. Please do subscribe and like it because I'm going to keep bringing you more, and we'll talk about it again next week. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.